What do we need now to manufacture a handle? Goggles, right? There aren't any, and without a rubber seal as a splash guard. The cut is of course always better. We definitely need the gloves. So then we need duranity material, polyol, isocyanate. We need a mixing cup. We need color. We need a scale, the stirrer, and of course the silicone mold that we made earlier. So it is important that the components are measured by weight, meaning they have a mixing ratio, let's call it that. I need a certain proportion of component A and component B. I place thread on the scale, tear it, add the polyol first, and then the color paste. The color paste is usually based on polyol, which would react with isocyanate. This means that you can pre-mix the polycolor and you can also store it, no problem. If it stands for a certain number of days, as we mentioned earlier, make sure to stir it again. So that means polycolor, isocyanate, then mix. For this, we recommend our star stirrer. It's really about mixing in as little air as possible into the material, otherwise it will bubble up quite a lot. The stirrer is actually well suited for this. Exactly. And then depending on which material you have, with the S variant, everything should happen within 2 minutes and in the mold, otherwise you'll have a bit of stress. With the hand casting variant, it's very simple. You have a relaxed 7 to 9 minutes to fill your mold and clean your stirrers as well. This is also important because otherwise there will eventually be a lot of resin stuck to them. Exactly. With the machine variant, you wait about 10 minutes until demolding. With the hand casting variant, it takes about 30 to 60 minutes, depending on the wall thickness of the handles. Exactly. And then you can put the handles in the oven and temper them overnight at 80 degrees for 8 hours. And then, when you are finished, you can also demold them.